Mindera's been going for 7.5 years. We added a business in the States, we have a UK business, an Indian business, Romania's on board, now Brazil, and we're now, after 7.5 years, 800 plus geeks. We now have 3 spheres, we call them. There's a tech service / engineering sphere, consulting sphere, and there's the education sphere.
Before you actually write a line of code, a lot of things happen. I'm a software engineer, but that doesn't mean that my job begins and ends with writing lines of code.
Once we know the why behind it, we can start scoping, creating requirements, and if there are gaps, working together to fill in those gaps.
What area of the tech they're looking for, what are the opportunities, what are the long-term plan.
Whilst the technical skills are super important here at Mindera, we do hire experts in their fields. We also look at the culture and the personality of the people that we bring into the company. There is not just one person responsible for any one thing. It's very collaborative. It's very much about teamwork.
The way that Mindera works, it's very self-managed, self-organised, so you have a lot of control and autonomy over how you work.
Mindera is predominantly engineering company, but supporting that we have also got consulting, which is another side of it, where we will work with a client on their strategic direction, their strategy plans. It could be for the brand new product they're building, it could be extension to the existing product and the features they're doing. Very proud of what work we do, and we want to be always proud. So every client, every project, we want to be excelling at it.
I have this very simple dream that people you see around the office today, their kids should be able to work for us. There should be a Mindera for those kids.